Hey y'all, so I'm here today because I just want to let y'all know about my vendor. So TedHair, I've been using them for about 3.5, maybe 4 years, and they never disappoint. Like, they definitely upgraded from when I first used them. Like, I started my business with TedHair, and the bundles definitely upgraded, but I feel like, you know, to each his own. I'm not trying to make anybody do anything they don't want to, but you definitely need to go try TedHair. So I got an 18 and 20 inch bundle from them, and do you see the fullness in the hair? Like, look at the ends. Like, can you see this? Woo! Like, you're not gonna get too much, like too many bundles that's full from the top to the bottom. Like, it's really full, and the wefts are, I'm not gonna say thin because they're really not thin, because once you put 3 bundles in your hair, 18, 20, 22, 60, 80, 20, however you wanna do it, it's gonna be full regardless. The hair is gonna be full. So they also have these little pieces right here. Excuse my nail, but they have these pieces right here, and it tells you how to take care of the hair. You can either replace it, you can keep it, however you want to do. So like I was saying, they have these pieces right here where it tells you how to wash. It says brush out the hair gently before washing, brush softly to remove tangles. Sweat and dirt can cause tangles. You should wash your hair regularly. I mean, you don't have to wash it every day, but it's good to keep your weave clean. It's just like it's your hair. You're gonna have to keep it clean. So like I said, this was an 18 and 20 inch bundle. You see me running my hands through it. Do you see a string? No, because it ain't no shedding. What hair you gonna get that's full from the top to the bottom is no shedding, and they quality prices. You can't beat it. I also have this 4x4 closure. It's an upgraded lace. It's bigger than how it used to be. It's upgraded. Please don't worry about my fingernail. It broke, okay? So as you can see, it's way bigger. This is transparent lace. Like, I'm darker skinned, but once you bleach the knots and everything, and you put on your customer, put your lace tail, whatever, this is gonna be it. You know what I'm saying? It's nice and full, and this was a 16 inch, by the way. So I'm gonna bleach these knots on this closure, and I just wanna show y'all how I do the process. I'm gonna show you everything I use, and I'm gonna tell you. So I use BW2 powder, and I use a 40 developer. Mind you, you can use like a 20 or 30, and when you use a 20 or 30, put aluminum foil over it. Like, after you put it on there, put the aluminum foil over it, and it'll process quicker. But I feel like when you use a 40, sometimes it over bleaches, but if you're watching it, like, keep a timer on and you watching it, it shouldn't over bleach it. But that's for any hair company, I'm saying, like any hair company. But I'm gonna bleach these knots, and I'm gonna let y'all see it. And I just wanna show y'all something real quick. So I'm gonna grab this bundle, right? Please don't mind me. I'm gonna try to show y'all that this is some quality hair. So I'm gonna get a piece of hair. I'm gonna hold it like this. I got a piece of hair. I'm gonna take this piece. Let me show y'all. You can go down one time, and it's gonna be straight. So, tell me, can you tell the difference? You see that? You see this straight piece, and then you see this side? That was a one go round. One go round. Just one. And I didn't do the whole thing. Let me show y'all. So yes, I'm gonna hold it with my neck, because I ain't got nothing else to hold it with right now. So I'm gonna grab this piece. I just wanna show y'all. Let's say something like, one time. You see it? It's just like me flying at one time. It's still bouncy, got a lot of volume, and I'm just letting y'all know, y'all need to go get them. I don't know what's taking so long, but you need to go. I ain't even playing. Look how thick that still is. I just want to show y'all again. This is what I've done one time, 4 days. Okay, so here I am with the closure. As you can see, it's really nice and full. I'm pushing the hairs back so the bleach won't get on the hairs. Right here, I use BW2 powder and for the developer. And when I'm doing a closure, I use 1 scoop and 2 scoops of the developer. You can use a 20 or 30, but I feel like the process takes longer. But if you use aluminum foil, you'll be just fine. The process goes a little easier. So you see I'm putting 2 scoops in there, and I want a thick consistency. So I'm going to just keep stirring and make it really, really thick. So I'm stirring and stirring and stirring. And I'm gonna make it real thick, because if it's water, it's gonna seep through your lace and the hairs on the outside is gonna be dyed. So as you can see, I'm just gonna lay that on there. And you see how it's thick, so it's not gonna spread through. So you see I'm just doing that right now. And then I usually put aluminum foil on it because it takes a shorter time to process. I'm trying to bleach the knots, but I didn't have none. So I let it sit on there for 10 minutes. And when that was done, I rinsed it off and let's go. Hey y'all, so I'm just showing y'all everything I'm using. BW2 powder, gloves for the developer. I got my bowl and I'm gonna put the powder in there, put the bleach in there. As you can see, I did 3 scoops. It doesn't matter how many scoops that you do. I just did 3 because I thought it was enough. I'm going to pour it in there and then I'm going to bleach the hair. As you see in the next step, please make sure you have a glove on because this will burn your skin. Don't be scared, but it will burn your skin. I'm going to pour a little more. So I'm going to make sure I dye the hair on both sides. If you have to spread the hair out to make it easier for you, please do so, but please make sure you flip that hair over, because if not, it will look like that. Okay, so after I do that, I'm going to make sure I do it at an angle. I don't want it straight across. You don't want it to look like evenly. So you see, as I'm doing it like as an angle. I turn my brush and do it as an angle. I'm going to fold that aluminum foil up and I'm going to set that to the side, and then I'm going to bring the closure back, and you see I'm putting I think it was ginger I put. So as you can see right here, I have 3 different shades. I just want to show you that you could achieve any color that you want. I really want to do pink, but I didn't have any pink hair dye, so we're just going to do it. So I'm just showing y'all that even after you dye your hair, you can flat iron it, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want. Once you put your heat protectant on, you're just going to put that on there and you're going to go down with the flat iron, and it's still nice, silky, and soft. Mind you, this is the same color I showed y'all in the last video. This is it. I did the blonde and I did the blue. I left one side poofy just to show y'all that, you know what I'm saying, it does get back straight. It doesn't just stay like that. Even though I had straight bundles, I done dyed it, bleached it, it's still good hair. I'm telling you, you have to go shop with TedHair. Why are you still here? Double tap and go get some hair. So I did want to show y'all another video. If y'all think that you cannot straighten or curl the hair once you bleach it or process it or anything, I'm just going to go over it. I'm going to flat iron it down. And I'm just going over it. I'm not even really pressing it like if it was getting an install and you're pressing it and getting your hair bone straight. I'm just showing y'all that even after one glide of the flat iron, it's still nice and straight. Look at that. Bam. Still has his body. And here is the Aquafina. I'm gonna show y'all on this one. Look how silky it still look.